Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe. Today, I'll be cleaning up the two front gardens, starting with this one. It's quite a bit of work, but it'll be worth it. I'll get everything looking beautiful again. Let's get busy and up procrastinating. I got a lot to do ahead of me. I got this side done, now to move on over here. This is the pile I was talking about I need to bag up. This bit of debris be about 5-6 bags of debris. After I clean that up, I can move to another section of the property to keep taking all the weeds out. Until then, like, subscribe, hit the notification. See you next time.